Just a maybe stupid thought about the time. There's pretty often people say that we haven't been changed since they met us first time, and sometimes it's like 10 years ago already. So they say, guys, you look the same as 10 years ago, so you haven't been changed at all. And that makes me think about why it's like that. The one of the options what I'm thinking about is maybe because we spend a lot of time in salt water, so that makes our skin look better than if I would live back home with cold weather, dry air, and that's why. The second thing what I think about is because we are in different environment. The water is more dense than air, so that means also the time actually slow down. It's the same like, for example, you cannot run underwater because the water is so dense. So probably the time is also slowed down, and if it's slowed down, so that means it's affecting me also differently. Let's say I spend about, in a good year when there's a lot of students and a lot of divers, I spend about 750-800 dives. Let's say the average time of the dive is around 40 minutes. So 40 minutes multiplied by, let's say the water slows down the time 10 minutes per one dive. 10 minutes multiplied by 75, it's a pretty big number. So that's the time I'm living slower than any one of you who don't dive that often. Not bad idea, right? Interesting idea at least. Okay, think about that. Write in the comments what you think about that. And thank you very much for watching us. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe our channel on YouTube, and see you in the next video. Bye.